Hey guys, I want to talk to you about our favorite anti-inflammatory. They've done studies on proteolytic enzymes versus NSAIDs. Those are those over-the-counters, you know, the Tylenols, the aspirins, really anything that's over-the-counter that's an anti-inflammatory. So recovery enzymes is something I've used for a very long time. It's not a steroid. It doesn't inhibit all the inflammation, which actually inhibits our healing response. When you decrease all the inflammation too much, our bodies cannot heal from that injury. So they've done studies on athletes where it takes them 2 to 3 times longer to heal their injury when they are on those NSAIDs versus proteolytic enzymes. Inflammation is mostly proteins. So just understand the word proteolytic enzymes, that means protein breakdown. So what this does is it goes into your bloodstream on an empty stomach. It kind of targets those proteins that are floating around in there, which is mainly inflammation, and it breaks those down to the amino acids so you can deal with that inflammation better. So this proteolytic enzyme is very powerful. We've used this with athletes, people with joint pain, you name it, any sort of inflammation of the body. This is an incredible natural way, without the side effects of the over-the-counters, to break down a lot of that inflammation in your body.